now in session.
Day 5 of Alex Jones's defamation damages trial started out with a couple of video depositions. One of them was Adon Salazar, an InfoWars employee.
Did it occur to you how families who had lost loved ones at Sandy Hook would react to an allegation that in fact their children were murdered in an event that was scripted and planned over 2.5 years? Did that occur to you?
I didn't think about that.
Lawyers are still making their case to the jury as to why Jones should be ordered to cough up $150 million in total damages. Mental anguish is one of those reasons they're arguing for. Hence, they brought in a psychiatrist.
It's a pretty traumatic event, to say the least, to lose a child. It's completely against nature and our expectations.
The doctor says Neil Heslin and Scarlett Lewis, parents of Jesse Lewis, who was killed at Sandy Hook, have been traumatized.
Does Neil have PTSD?
Yes.
Does Scarlett?
Yes.
The plaintiffs were trying to paint a picture to the jury of how the last several years have been for the parents as they try to cope with their son's loss and deal with hoax claims on InfoWars.
How have Mr. Jones's lies impacted Neil and Scarlett's ability to heal from the murder of their son?
Well, it's more than just interfered with healing. It has pushed them back.
Alex Jones's attorney pushed back during cross-examination.
If somebody watching you testify went out and did something to Alex Jones, do you think that you should be held responsible?
No.
You didn't substantiate your sources.
After the lunch hour, Reynal asked for a mistrial, which the judge denied, and admonished him for breaking some rules.
You asked a question that assumes facts that are not in evidence and misrepresents the testimony that we have had in this case so far.
Does not.
Excuse me?
Should I move on?
You had better.
Jones told Fox 7 last week he doesn't have $1 million in the bank account, and he's bankrupt.
Bridget Spencer, Fox 7 Austin News.